Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be trying out this new Maybelline products, which is their lipstick range. The Maybelline Ultimatte Slim Lipsticks review. So we're going to be doing 5 lip swatches today, guys, that if they're actually worth getting or not, and that way you'll be able to save some money. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle. My passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe, because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. If you guys wanted to join me to find out if this new lipsticks from Maybelline actually worth getting or not, in that way you'll be able to save some money, please keep on watching. Australia, you can actually purchase this from Amazon. So retail for $20.95, and they actually do come in 8 different shades. If you're in the US, these are actually available at Ulta Beauty for $8.99, and they do have them in 10 different shades. Actually claiming is this is the color Sensational Ultimatte, and more is more. That's more matte, more color intensity, more lightweight. Color Sensational delivers a lightweight blurring formula made with high impact pigments in this extreme matte lipstick. So we're going to be doing the lip swatches now. The formula is actually very creamy, and it's actually easy to glide on the lips. Really easy to open, and it's easy to wind up all the way up. That's all the way up, guys. And then when you actually wind it down, locked. So it actually does locked it in place. Need a lip liner actually, because the way they've created the actual lipstick, it's actually an angled one, so it's actually easy to apply. My thoughts on these new lipsticks from Maybelline. I highly recommend it for you guys to check these lipsticks out, guys, if you actually haven't tried it yet, or if you're looking for a new lipsticks from Maybelline. To weight on the lips, they actually glides very easily when you apply it on your lips. Lipsticks are actually very pigmented. So this is definitely not a transfer proof, guys, but as you can see, I've already transferred quite a few lipstick on the back of my hand, and I can still see the pigment on my lips. It's also easy to remove. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually did help you out today. And please comment down below what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button. And please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.